Hello everyone, this is Pat from Petals, Crafts and More, and today we're going to do another illustration on how to make a grapevine wreath. This one is going to be a lemon wreath, and as you can see we've already got the bow attached, and I'm starting out with some greenery. I'm using small twigs of greenery in order to incorporate all of the different textures of the greenery that I want to use into each area of the vine, just to give a better bed for our design. You'll see here that I use plenty of hot glue when applying my stems to the grapevine. This just ensures that it's going to stay there for the long run. These vines are used inside and outside, and with the heat and the weather, you know that the glue is going to give just a little bit. So if you've got enough in there and it goes through a lot of the vine, then you're more confident in knowing that it's going to stay where you want it to be. Had a little trouble cutting that one off there. Some of them are rather stiff. And you'll notice that I'm using a pair of regular wire cutters. You can get wire cutters in your hardware department of your local department store, or you can get them in the floral department of most any hobby store. Walmart also has them. And sometimes you can look out and find them at the Dollar Tree. And I've been told both ways that they're not worth anything from the Dollar Tree, and they're very good from the Dollar Tree. So it's just up to you where you get them. They're not expensive wherever you get them. There you'll see I'm adding a drop of glue to the tip of the leaf, and that is just to ensure that it stays in place on the stem. Most of this greenery and my florals came from the local wholesale store that we have here that sells floral supplies. A couple of the lemons came from Walmart as well. And that beautiful ribbon came from the wholesale store as well. Now you'll see that I've got my greenery and I've already started my florals. The reason for this was I thought I was recording and I was not. So I had pretty much already done the placement of my florals when I noticed that I was not recording. So we just have to start off where I was at when I noticed. But I am yet again cutting my florals down to size, and that one I used the entire stem because I wanted it to kind of give a more full effect to the top of it. But I'm cutting most of them down to the size, really hot gluing them and then working them through that vine. That one I cut a little shorter than I wanted it. So we'll have to wait. I'm sure I'll find a place for it. I usually always do. Already figured it out. Now these picks here, they came from Walmart. The larger lemons came from Amazon. And as you noticed at the beginning of this, I was inserting a stem that I had cut off from another stem, and inserting it into the larger lemons, and then inserting some hot glue and putting the stem back in place. This will hold it in. The hot glue will kind of melt and bond with the foam that's inside of that lemon, and it's there. Those white flowers, they came from the local warehouse, floral warehouse, that I use to get a lot of my florals. I also love to hit up Hobby Lobby for florals, and sometimes you can even find them in the goods store in Clinton. There, I'm just deciding where it needs to go. You can see I've not cut the stem yet, and I'm just figuring out. I had picked out several bushes to just figure out where I wanted to go with this arrangement, because I wasn't sure when I started. But as you can see, I believe I've got it. Still a little bit more touch up, you know me. But I think we're about there. I don't like the larger lemon being that close to the bow. However, I didn't want to cover the bow up with the smaller lemon leaves and the florals. So I had a hard time with that one. Just satisfying me. And it's finally found its home. And there you have it, the completed design. I hope you enjoyed this illustration as much as I have enjoyed sharing it with you. This wreath and more can be found on our Etsy page, Etsy shop, if you're interested in those. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and for joining our page. And please like, comment any questions that you might have, and I will get back to them. And have a blessed day.